Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser CX True Wireless. In this video I'll show you how to manage buttons controls. Firstly, let's take a look at the earbuds. Right here we've got the right and right here we've got the left earbud. Tap and hold touch panel on the right earbud to increase the volume. Tap and hold on the left to decrease the volume. Now, to use voice assistant, tap 3 times on touch panel on the left earbud. What's the weather like tomorrow? Now, to play and pause music, tap once on touch panel on either earbud. To go to previous song, tap twice on the touch panel on the left earbud. To go to next song, tap twice on the touch panel on the right earbud. In the calls, tap once on right or left touch panel to answer, to end call, tap twice to decline call, tap once to accept an incoming call and end the active call, and tap twice to reject incoming call while on the call right now. And that's basically it for controls. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.